Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the photo album effect in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or just do the track and just going to select effect, video effect, and you can select retro. Just scroll down and you can find the photo album too. So this is the new break from CapCut. But it is Pro, like you have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. Just add to the track and you can see for the final result like this. Yeah, that's it. You can combine with another effect and you can combine with transition. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.